Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today I am doing the T3 unboxing. This is the T3 Singlepass curling iron. It's a 1.25 barrel. I'm sorry if you see me looking down, it's because I'm trying to get these specs correct. This is a professional curling iron. So haven't opened it yet, but this is the box. And so I have seen like mixed reviews about this product. Some good, a lot of bad, but let's just hope I don't have any issues with this curling iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like if you don't know. So I did want the white one. I just thought the white and the rose gold looked so pretty, but I ended up getting the black one or the blue one. We're gonna see. Online it looked like blue, but I think it's black. So it looks blue, but this is what it looks like. It has it on the back. You probably can't see it because of my lighting, but this is what the back looks like. So it comes with, like, I'm sure this is the manual. Yes, this is blue and gold. So as you can see, this is blue. Clip. So it doesn't come with any extra special goodies like the heat glove or anything like that. So this is pretty much what you get in the order, in the package, and the manual. So I do want to do a test with this curling iron. So I'm gonna plug this up so it can get heated up, and then I'm just gonna give you guys a few specs about this product. Okay, so some info about this product is it's custom blend ceramic barrel. It has 5 heat settings. It's lightweight. It has a smart twist dial, which is right here. So you'll turn it once, you'll turn it twice, you'll turn it 3 times to get the barrel to the curl it to whatever temperature you want. Now I have mine set on 3, which is, I believe, 350. Let me just check. Yes, I have my heater on 350. Now again, in here they show you how to use this, how to curl the hair. Also, it has a auto whirl voltage, and it has a 1-hour auto shut off. So if your curlers have been left on after an hour, it cuts off, but you can you can restart it if need be. And it heats up pretty fast. It didn't take long for it to get hot, and I feel the heat. Again, this is the temperature that it's on. So I am clumsy sometimes, so I'm definitely going to get my heat protected glove. Now I'm not going to add any product into my hair because I've had this hair on for about 3 days, and I don't want to put anything else in my hair at the moment. And it still has some curl to it, but we're going to make it pop with this. So and this wig, the details will be in the description box below. I don't know if I'm not curling it right or what. I don't know if I'm curling it right. Or maybe I could have left it on a little longer. I'm going to do this one over. I don't know if I like that one. I don't know, y'all. Unless I'm curling this hair wrong. Oh, that came out cute. Oh, maybe I should unravel it like that. Okay. Let me do this first one over. I think I got some stuff. Okay, it's better than before, but I love that one. So let's hope we can repeat it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other side off camera and we're gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I've now finished the other side of my hair. As you can see. So I'm gonna let this side continue to cool down a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and start combing on this side, and I'm using my wide tooth comb. And it gave me some nice kind of beach waves. I'm gonna probably just bump up this piece in a minute. So. Nice little beach waves going on. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do these front pieces again. Okay, y'all, so I already did the front, so hopefully so these are the curls. Again, I should have let this side cool down before I combed it out, but this is it. I do like this. Once I got the hang of using it, I did like this product. They had a sale, so I definitely was glad that I caught it on sale. Right now it's back to $150 or $149.99. So this again is the T3 spring curling iron. This is a 1.25 inch barrel. So if you guys have this product, or if you guys are thinking about purchasing this product, let me know in the comments below. Again, my review is that I like it. It didn't pull my hair. No, I'm lying. It did pull my hair, but that's only because I let it get past the barrel, so it got caught up in the clip. So definitely be careful when you're using it that you don't allow the hair to get caught up in there, because it did pull a little of my hair. But overall, I do like the product. I would probably have to keep using it again to see if anything changed, if it malfunctioned. So definitely I'll probably try to give you guys an update with this product. But again, I love it. It gave me some nice little beachy waves. But yeah, I probably need to like cut this front into like some layers, because I think it'll be cute. I don't know. I'm gonna get somebody to cut some layers in this wig for me. But if you guys like this review, let me know in the comments below. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.